Samsung and Lucid Motors have shared values. Those shared values start with innovation. They start with design. They start with really the customer journey. So for us, how they use our technology in a design center, from interior design to exterior design, the richness of the colors, the micro LED technology, the crispness of the resolution, the formulation of where new car design begins.
We were able to design the Sapphire, which is our best in line of air that is designed with Samsung LED video wall, the best of its kind. Being able to see a lot of variants of design that is also true color and 8K in a full scale made the design process a lot more efficient and a lot quicker.
The wall is the collaborative space where we're able to bring many teams together and really discuss about where design is wanting to push. But before, we had 4 screens put together, very small. It was quite hard for getting large numbers of people to actually be able to collaborate around that.
The wall is really important part of our weekly design updates. Sometimes very hard to convince engineering team or finance team like why what we want to do is important and is impactful. And it's so easy to just visualize that and show them on the wall.
The process of taking the design and the CAD modeler's work onto the wall is relatively simple. We have a panel on the wall where we're able to input which computer we want to see. So we're able to transfer into VR and VRED very quickly.
Reviewing design in one-to-one scale is very important. For exterior especially, we have to see the car in different perspective, as close to real life scale to judge the proportion itself, especially when we are working with color and material design team. Light and shadow is basically the key for us to judge how that surface is reading. Being able to see all the dark tones to the gradation helps us to judge the surface quality as well.
The automobile design environment continues to change. Display technology plays a key role in how they use the technology, from the design of a car to the finished product, is shortening, and it's allowing them to be so much more productive. So for us, whether it's here at Lucid Motors or other automobile manufacturers, Samsung takes great pride in helping evolve the design marketplace.